Some people think that we can hold violin just like a small guitar, like this. Okay. I'm just joking. Let's start to talk about how to hold violin. When we start to hold violin with my students, first we do some exercises without violin and then with violin. These exercises are like short stories. I have some story for violin. It's not story, it's just some illustration. And also, I have some illustration for the bow. But now we will talk about violin. Let's do exercise without violin. Let me tell you now about this illustration, and also I will show you this exercise. There is a boat in the river. There is a girl in this boat. She keeps small mirror. Oh, let's turn our mirror. Great. Now I want to make comments for these exercises. When we do this exercise, which is called boat, first we need to pay attention to position for our hand. Our hand shouldn't be in front of us or from the side. Imagine that in front of you 12 o'clock, from the side 9 o'clock. But your hand should be in the middle between 10 and 11 from the side. Now, when you will make this river flowing for the boat, you have to check your shoulder. Please don't raise your shoulder. When you do this exercise, check that your shoulder should be relaxed. Then we made this boat. And now, what's important about girl with mirror? Your fingers should be curved like this. And then when we turn our mirror, our fingers should be, imagine that you are already holding the violin. Imagine that you will keep your fingers over the strings. Okay, and last time. A boat, mirror, girl with mirror, and let's turn the mirror. Now our fingers over the strings, and we are ready to do exercises with violin. If you would like more complete and advanced information, just kindly visit my website with the link in the description box below. I will be waiting for you there.